She was experiencing hair loss until she discovered this. I'm going to reveal the secret of an experienced hairstylist who told me how he takes care of his clients with hair loss. In the end, I'll teach you how to use it the right way, the way he taught me. To start, let's take a neutral shampoo regardless of the brand, okay? It can be the cheapest one. And let's pour it all into a container. This growth shampoo is really worth it. For those who have tried everything to stop hair loss, try doing this. We'll also need a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. You can add 2 tablespoons without any problem. I only added 1 because my hair isn't so brittle, but if you have very dull, brittle hair, you can add 2 tablespoons. Why apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar has several benefits for the hair. It's a great ally in hair health, especially if you have brittle and dull strands. It has a much more alkaline pH, which means it's more basic. So when you apply apple cider vinegar to your hair, it results in much shinier hair. Over on my wife's Instagram, she recently posted a photo, and people asked how her hair grew so fast because she posted a photo with very short hair in December last year, and it has grown a lot now. And now let's add 2 caps of distilled glycerin here. You can find it at any pharmacy near your house. It has to be distilled, okay? There's another type that is vegetable, but ideally it should be this one. Glycerin makes your hair super soft because it has emollient, moisturizing, and hydrating properties, and it also helps restore the hair's elasticity. But remember, it can be used in a shampoo, a moisturizing cream, a mask, but never pure, never directly on the hair. So mix it well. While I'm mixing here, tell me your name and where you're from, so I can get to know you and welcome you to our page. And now, I'll add a little bit of cloves here. Put a little bit in your hand, and then you can put it all in here and mix it. Cloves are very potent for hair growth because they accelerate healthy hair growth, combat hair loss, and leave the scalp much cleaner and healthier. That's why I mentioned you can use this shampoo every day without a problem. For those who have the habit of washing their hair daily, you can wash it without any problem because it also fights dandruff, lice, it fights everything. It strengthens weak and brittle strands and also gives a lot of shine to the hair. So my wife is in love with this shampoo, and I do this with all my neutral shampoos. When this one's finished, I go to the store, buy another, and do this again. It's totally worth it. And you can also do a regular hair treatment. You'll love the result. I hope you liked it, and you can start using it from the next day. Do this, let it sit for 24 hours, then you can start using it, okay? This mixture is simply magical, very easy to make, and want a bonus tip? Grab the cheapest shampoo because you'll turn it into the most powerful one in your bathroom. Make it at home because I'm sure you'll thank me.